Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. In this video, I'm going to show you the Memefi Wallet Connect features that they just launched on Memefi bot on Telegram. So I'm going to show you how it works and how you can connect your wallet and with your free key, private key like that. So if you are not seeing this video from your own phone or is a little blur, just go to the settings on at the top of that video and click on settings, click again on advanced settings and click on the preferred quality, that is 1080 quality, and it's going to help you to watch it in highest quality that you prefer and you are going to see it very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on play now. So guys, you can see the link under this video description or under this comment section, and you can also see some link of the airdrops that I'm also into, and there is a good airdrop from Zero to Lambo. So that is why we are participating in airdrop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, so this is the new features that is on Memefi. So let me click on that. So this is the Memefi Wallet Features. So once you click on the wallet, it's going to bring it for you that you don't want to add a wallet or you want to use private key or free key to log in. So just click on, you want to create a new wallet. So they are going to bring out something like this. So please don't log in with an existing private key or free key because you don't know, maybe it's safe. So for you to be on the safer side, just click on create a new account. So once you click on create a new account, this is the next page that's going to bring for you. So let me click on setting by my top right corner and go to settings, as you can see. So once you click on settings, so this is your secret phrase and your private key. So if you click to refill phrase, this thing is going to be visible, and once it's visible, you can click on copy to clipboard. I don't know, maybe if you can screenshot, I don't know, maybe you can try it, maybe it's going to screenshot. So if you want to copy your private key, or if you want to see it, maybe you want to fill it too, you can click on fill private key. So like that, so you are going to fill and you can copy it. And there's no button icon, just press the private key and there's like a copy something like at the top that is going to bring like paste, copy, select, or something like that, and you are just going to copy. And if they allow you to screenshot, you can screenshot and save it to your Google, or you can save it somewhere that is safe. Just make sure that you save this secret phrase to somewhere that is free, where no one is going to have access to it. So let me click on the wallet again. So this is the Ethereum. So they support Ethereum too. So this is it. So let me click on that. So now this is Ethereum, and if you want to deposit, just click on deposit, as you can see. Click on deposit now. So if you want to deposit, the first thing you need to do is to first copy this your Ethereum wallet address, and after that, just how to get linear ETH. So the network is linear under ETH crypto. Send coin to the address above in order to deposit them here. The number one is find your in-game wallet address in above. Starts with OS. So this something that they mean. Starts with OS, as you can see. Starts with OS and copy it. The number two is go to a crypto exchange, OKS for example. Choose withdrawal or withdraw and find this withdrawal option, that is crypto Ethereum, and the network is linear. Then you are going to buy it on OKS. You can also buy it on Binance or other exchanges too. So that's what we are going to do. By it on OKS, and after that you are going to paste the copied address above. So this address that you copied there, you are going to paste it, and you are going to transfer that Ethereum to this wallet address that you copied here. So yeah, and you are going to confirm this transaction in your wallet over there. This is all about depositing Ethereum to your Memefi wallet. So, and the first thing that you want to do is withdraw. You want to withdraw your Ethereum. You can see, so this is the where you are going to paste the wallet address, and the second one is the amount. So this is the amount now. This is the amount. So the third one is the blockchain fee. So there's a fee that you are going to pay, and there's the total, and there's withdraw. If you want to withdraw, just click on this withdraw button. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, you can also withdraw it like you deposit it. So that's all about depositing and withdrawing of Ethereum. So let's go to Memefi. So this is your Memefi, and the airdrop is not happen it's not happening now. So very soon we are going to see the airdrop. So let me click on Memefi. So this Memefi, and what we are going to do is, if you click on the withdrawal button, so let me click on the withdrawal button. So the withdrawal button is not clicking, as you can see. So you can see Memefi deposits and withdrawals will open after the blockchain goes live on exchanges. So this is the main reason the withdrawal button and the deposit button and the withdrawal button is not working. So that means that after Memefi has been listed on our exchanges, then this withdraw and the deposit button is going to start working. So let me click the back. Okay, so that is your Memefi wallet, like equivalent in dollar. So this way you are going to see that. So this is all what you need to know about Memefi, and make sure that you save your phrase key very well. Make sure that you save your phrase key very well. So under that setting is only your phrase key and your private key that is there. I don't know, maybe if other features are going to be coming to that setting, but keep checking because they might still be updating some things to this wallet features. So keep checking, maybe if there's a new updates to it, and make sure that you subscribe, like this video and share this video. So the link to Memefi is going to be under this description if you have not started tapping Memefi, and it's easy with daily combo of 1 million, 4 million, 3 million. You can reach to maybe 50 million within a month if you are consistent with it, and you are tapping and you are using the daily booster to boost it. It's going to help you too. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.